as with all lasers, there is some stinging and pain involved. With tattoo, this is the only laser we really do this with, but with tattoo removal lasers, we actually will inject the tattoo with some 1% lidocaine or local anesthetic so that the whole area is numb. So you won't feel any of the procedure itself, but you do have to kind of sit through the stinging of the numbing part of it. And believe me, this is not as painful as if you just had the laser. And this, unfortunately, the ankle is one of the most sensitive. You okay? Just a series of small injections right underneath the skin. She's not loving this, but it just feels like a bunch of bee stings. The good thing about lidocaine is it works almost immediately. The laser we use for tattoo removal is actually called a Q-switched YAG laser, and this is the handpiece. It emits this little yellow light, so we actually trace the tattoo. And now that we have the area numb, she shouldn't feel. It makes a slight popping noise, almost like you're throwing a firecracker on the ground. Now the tattoo is actually turning white. It's a little bit of an optical illusion. That's not the ink going away. The laser actually dries out the skin, and that's where the little bit of peeling comes from. So it's not, once this peels or flakes off or exfoliates, it's not going to look this light. People get all excited and think this is actually immediate, but it's really not. The bleeding is more from the needle sites where I injected it. It's really not from the laser itself.